Tired of the content creation and social media posting grind? Let's transform that by seamlessly connecting Google Docs, Buffer, and Zapier to automate your entire workflow. First, we'll set up your content hub within Google Docs. Imagine creating your social media posts, articles, or updates right here. Organized and ready to go. Think of this as your content command center. Now let's get into Zapier. The magic connector will create a zap that listens for new content in your Google Doc. For example, you can set a trigger that when a new row is added to your Google Sheet or a specific document is updated, our automation begins. Next, we'll configure the action. This is where Zapier formats your great content from Google Docs and gets it ready for Buffer. You can specify exactly how you want your posts to appear, circumflex euros, perhaps extracting text, and even pulling in image URLs if you've predefined them in your document. The final step is connecting to Buffer. We'll tell Zapier to send your perfectly formatted content directly to your Buffer. You can choose which social media profiles Buffer will post to, ensuring your message reaches the right audience on the right platforms. With just a few clicks, your Google Docs content is now scheduled to publish across your social media. This means less manual work, more consistency, and ultimately, more time for you to focus on what matters most, circumflex euros, creating amazing content. By integrating Google Docs, Buffer, and Zapier, you're not just saving time. You're building a powerful, automated system for a consistent and impactful online presence.